Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you the layers part of Wix. So, layers, what are the layers? So if you are listening this for the first time about the layers in Wix, so let me tell you the layers are like if we, for example, I will explain it with an example. So the layers are nothing but a section where it will show you that it has, like for example, this is a strip. So we can consider this as a layer, and in this strip there is a text box, again a text box and a button. So it will show that in this layer there are three more items like this text and this button. So I will show you how you can access the layers. So click on tools and just click on layers. So here the layer box opens. So right now we are on this strip as you can see. So click on this, it will open the column 1. So in column 1 you have to again click on this and you can see I have to, as I have told you now, this is the text box, this is another text box, and this is the button, which is a shop now, which is the tag given as a shop now button. So this is the strip, this is the page. It will show you all the layers for all the sections added in a particular page. So the page is the main thing of the all the pages. Like a page has a background. So in the page we add all the strips and other things, other bunch of things, right? So as I have selected this, so inside strip, this is the column one. So this is comes under the column one only. So I will show you the another example. Like this is the page, and let me just again open the layers and we will click on this. As you can see, as I am clicking on each and every thing, this is opening. Okay, this if I click on this strip, this is a blank strip. As you can see, this strip has, which is on the second strip. We cannot call it strip, but we have made it a column. As I had showed you this in the one of my previous video, giving a tutorial of this particular thing. But this is on the background, but it is almost a strip only. As we have made it into a column, so it is a main strip. So it is now part of like a part of a second strip, you can say, and then the shop grid. This is a third strip, as you can see. Basically, it doesn't have the strip. It is on the page background itself. So this is the first strip. This is second. So as you click on this, it will open. It will show you in these layers. As you can see, it is not showing to the second layer. It must show to here because it is up, not below. But sometimes it show like this. So I hope you got it. Whatever I told you in this video. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching this tutorial.